to go on 12. I'll tell you what, it's good to have a battery when you got a headwind. And it's always smart. Here's my bicycling tip of the day. When you first take off, if the wind is blowing, head upwind. Do not head downwind. There's these cool trees again. Oh, gator. Oh, there's two of them. I gotta get a quick look at them. There's the gator faces. Howdy, dudes. One's got his tail in the culvert. If I had, oh, here he comes. Now, what are you guys doing? Surely the second one is not going to like that. Huh. Okay. Gotta go. And they must be gator friends, because that one turned around. I thought they were going to bite each other. Serious?
That blackbird that we seen has light blue stripes on each wing.
Okay. Them gators we seen, one was looking at the other, and I thought they were gonna fight.
Who said that? And?
They were just sitting there, so they must have been friends. That's one thing, there was more of them the other day because there wasn't any wind.
I know, remember there was moles. Do you remember where your alligator friend crossed?
Not really.
There's two more of them peach colored birds. Very peachy. Now there's a lot of land out here. If you just look across, look.
Yeah. We're gonna go up in the tower today. Then what's more fun? Spring fling at Woodhaven or riding our bikes at Shark Valley?
Well, you know what? Let me see.
Shark Valley Everglades.
Since I've never been to spring fling.
Yes, you have.
I have not.
Okay, then. We'll go next year.
What?
We'll go next year.
Bullshit.
We wouldn't want you to feel deprived. Mile 11, 11 to go, 11 to go.
I've always had to work.
4 miles to the tower.
And I would rather work. I don't do flings.
Fling, spring fling. Oh. Spring fling. You like my shoes?
I love your shoes.
Okay. Just checking. Think I got them from Beals. Oh, look. There's a bench. I could sit down and get a drink of my water.
Now they're burning. It's hiding out there. Look at that one. Look at that one. I've never seen that one either.
Yeah. Gator. Think people are seeing things. Where do you see a gator? Oh, it's a baby alligator. What a midget. Probably can't even see him on the camera. He's a midget. Crystal found a midget.
Where there's a midget, there's a mama.
And this says what? The wilderness. Wilderness shelters rare creatures like Florida panthers. And that's what it says. Marjorie Stoneman Douglas Wilderness Area.
They gave it to me.
Uh-oh. My water thing broke.
That's what you get for taking it off.
It's broke. And somebody left a carving.
What broke?
My water thing. Okay. Gotta go on the search for some more animals. are. There was a gator with his head sticking out of the culvert. Howdy. Howdy. And did you see that culvert with the alligator head sticking out of it? That was pretty wild. It was one of them right there. And all that was sticking out was a great big alligator's head.
I told you I think they lay in there because it's nice and cool. Because that protects them from the sun. If you looked in there, there's probably 20 of them.
Probably should have petted him.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Oh, look at that bird.
You bend over and look in there and I'll
That's a
hold your
cool.
feet.
Check
okay?
that bird out. He's got black wings. That was cool. You should have waited till we got here.
There. 3 of them. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, there he is. He came back. There he is. I guess he ain't coming back. Oh, there's 2 of them. Well, you gonna land or what? I guess not. Yeah, it must be, because he ain't landing. Mile marker, mile 10, 10 to go. We're 1/3 of the way around. Woo-wee!
Right.
And the wind started howling.
Windy.
Real windy. Got windy.
Real windy.
Real windy.
Boy, that was a while back, wasn't it?
What's that?
Windy, real windy.
Yeah.
We were young, real young. That was back in the 90s.
People that walk this trail are probably in better shape than I am.
This is all a group. They all are wearing the same shirts.
Yeah. You think they're racing?